Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet on your Squarespace website. This is an incredibly useful feature if you want to display live data, reports, or collaborative spreadsheets directly on your site without having to manually update information. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to doc.google.com. Once you're there, locate and open the Google Sheet you want to embed. Make sure this is the correct sheet, as any changes you make to it will automatically reflect on your Squarespace site once embedded. Now, with your sheet open, look towards the top left corner and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Share and then select Publish to Web. This action is crucial because it generates a public version of your sheet that can be embedded elsewhere. Without publishing it to the web, your sheet won't be accessible on your Squarespace site. A dialog box will pop up with two tabs at the top. Click on the Embed tab. This will display an embed code specifically designed for integrating your sheet into websites. Go ahead and copy this code. Make sure you copy the entire string, as missing even a single character can cause the embed to fail. Now it's time to switch over to Squarespace. Open your Squarespace website editor and navigate to the page where you want the Google Sheet to appear. Once you're there, click the Edit button to enter editing mode for that page. Next, click on Add Block. This will bring up a menu of different block types you can insert into your page. From these options, locate and click on Embed. The Embed block is what allows you to insert external content like your Google Sheet. After adding the Embed block, you'll see a pencil icon appear on it. Click this icon to open the Embed settings. In the Settings menu, click on Code Snippet and then select Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Google Sheets. Go ahead and paste it into the field provided. At this point, you might notice that the embedded sheet appears quite small and difficult to read. To fix this, we need to adjust the size manually within the code. Look at the end of the embedded code you just pasted. Find the last word in the code. In my case, the word is false. Right after that word, add the following: width 100% and height 200. These values control how the sheet displays on your page. Feel free to adjust these numbers based on what best fits your specific Google Sheet and page layout. Once you've added the width and height parameters, you'll notice the embed block becomes more flexible. Now you can click and drag the corners of the embed block to resize it further, making the content larger and more legible for your site visitors. When everything looks good and the sheet is displaying exactly how you want it, click Save to finalize your changes. Your Google Sheet is now successfully embedded on your Squarespace website and will update automatically whenever you make changes to the original sheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.